I want the Tweety Bird. I want the Batman, SpongeBob, the Green Orange. I want Spider-Man. I want Tweety Bird.
We want. Is that it, babe?
Oh, I gotta get the chill explosion. That's.
Should we get the?
Yeah, I need that. Yeah, that. Shut it. Yeah, tell ya. Hold on.
Did you get something?
Did I get the Pink Panther too?
Ninja Turtles.
Ninja Turtles? No Pink Panther? Ain't no more Pink Panther? I need Ninja Turtles or something. Damn. Hey, I guessed it. Damn, Tor. Damn, fucking Tor, man. Cool guy. Look, it's Flipper. Oh, man, damn, Tor. Oh, man, holy scroll down. Nah, and the ghost on that bitch ass. You dig what I'm saying? So, fucking niggas doing, man?
You ready? Here we go. I'm gonna try with him.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Your little step.
That way.
What to do? Oh, yeah.